So guys, we're set.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi Umesh. Uh, the
Hi.
first question for you in round one goes from Real Madrid. Obviously, Real Madrid have made the most amount of money by selling which player? It is obviously Cristiano Ronaldo. Who's the second best?
Second best. Yeah. It's Angel Di Maria.
Oh, that's a good answer. Angel Di Maria was sold to Manchester United for
Manchester
59.7 euro
United.
in 2014 or 15. Okay, good answer. You got 2 points. The next one is, what is the highest score line by which Real Madrid has defeated our rivals FC Barcelona? The highest score line.
In all over history.
Yes, in the history of football.
That was 8-2.
No, it wasn't.
8-2.
It wasn't 8-2. It was 11-1. This game happened in 1943. 43. Yeah.
So much called that Franco.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. We move on to the Odisha FC question for you in round one. Who is the only Odisha FC player to earn a red card this season? The last season, obviously. Who was the only player?
Carlos Delgado.
Amazing, man. You got 2 questions right. You got 4 points. Round one, 4 points. So we move on to Rhythm. Rhythm, your first question from Liverpool is, Steven Gerrard was the last Liverpool midfielder to have won the FWA Footballer of the Year award. Jordan Henderson won it this year. So we move on to Gerrard. Which year did he win it?
11-12.
No, it was 2009, 2010. We move on to the next question from Liverpool. Who has made the maximum number of appearances for Liverpool this season so far? Not goals, not assists, the maximum number of appearances, I mean.
Okay.
People miss out on
Fabinho.
Sorry?
Fabinho.
No, Fabinho is not the right answer. Robert Firmino is the right answer. He's got 51. The second is Virgil van Dijk. You were pretty far. Fabinho is, I think, 5th or 6th. Anyway, this is yeah, of course. This is your only question from ATK in this round. Who is the oldest player to feature for ATK in the Indian Super League ever? Okay. Interestingly, he's also the oldest player ever to feature in the tournament. Let me make it a little easy for you. He was a goalkeeper,
He was a goalkeeper.
but you don't get all day. Please make it
No, no,
quick.
no.
Yeah.
Isn't that bad goalkeeper foreigner?
He wasn't bald. Anyway, your time's up. It was Jussi Jaskelian. He was 42 years and 226 days old, and he played against Jamshedpur FC on 1st December 2017. So we have a clear winner for round one. Umesh has 4 points. Rhythm is yet to open his account. In round two, we move on to Rhythm first. Is that okay? Cool.
Yeah.
Rhythm, your first clue is, I am a midfielder and I played for four other Premier League clubs apart from Liverpool. So in total, he played for 5 Premier League clubs. Like in total.
James Miller.
No, he isn't James Miller. I was signed from Crew Alexandra in 1997, and a team that will now feature in League One. League One is below the championship. So 1997, think of that. Like he retired pretty much.
You repeat the sentence once.
I was signed from Crew Alexandra in 1997, a team that will now feature in League One. The second part is redundant. It's just to confuse you. Just concentrate on the first one.
Akin Fenwa.
Sorry, come again.
Akin Fenwa.
No, Akin Fenway is not the right answer. After a 7 year stint at Anfield, in which I played 170 times and scored 25 goals, I was sent back to my old club on a loan stint for an year. He was sent back to Crew Alexandra for a loan stint for an year. He played 170 times and scored 170 times and scored 25 goals.
No idea.
I am
Balotelli maybe. A wild guess.
Balotelli. No, Balotelli. I don't know. Balotelli played for Liverpool. Did he? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh, he did. Okay, I must have missed it then. I'm currently a Sky Sports pundit, and I played 169 times for Fulham as well. Think of a Sky Sports pundit from Liverpool. There are four, man. If you cannot get this now, it's redundant.
Carragher.
It's not Jamie Carragher, it's Danny Murphy. Jamie Carragher played all his career at Liverpool. Come on. Anyway, Umesh, we move on to you. I'm a fullback. Can you hear me, Umesh?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a fullback and I played in France and England before landing at Real Madrid. I played in France and England before landing at Real Madrid. Sorry? Arbeloa. No, Arbeloa isn't the right answer. I was signed by Marseille after a 2-year spell at the Santiago Bernabeu.
I know.
You don't get all day. Sorry?
Mariano Diaz.
No, Mariano Diaz isn't the right answer. I played for Argentina at 2 World Cups and totaled 71 appearances in which I scored thrice.
Any clue for this?
Yeah, this is a clue, man. You're getting all your clues. The next one is I was signed from Manchester United and later I played for Roma as well. AS Roma in Italy. I was signed from Manchester United and later I played for AS Roma as well. So you've got a lot of clubs for him. You've got Real Madrid, you've got Manchester United, you've got Marseille, and now you have Roma.
No, sorry, I don't.
You're looking for Gabriel Heinz. Gabriel Heinz was an Argentine left back. Anyway, okay. So we move on to round 3. Rhythm, you still have a lot of catching up to do because both of you did not get your answers. Rhythm is still in the game. Umesh is on 4 points. Rhythm is yet to open his account. If you get both right, you get your chance. But we'll start with Umesh in this round. Umesh, your first question from Liverpool is: which Liverpool player has the second highest assists in the Premier League this season? Second highest. The first is Trent Alexander-Arnold. Everyone knows that. Who has the second highest?
Mohamed Salah.
Salah is third, dude. Andrew Robertson is at second with 11. Yes, I got that question right. Okay, so this is a question which conjoins ATK and Liverpool in a bit of way. For it, like this is for Umesh. He won the UEFA Champions League and UEFA Super Cup with Liverpool in 2004 and 5. He ended his professional career with ATK. Who is this player? I will repeat. No, Luis Garcia isn't the right answer. It's Jose Mi. It's Jose Mi. So Rhythm, if you get this question right, both these questions right, you will have 4 points as well, and we'll have a tiebreaker question. Okay. Real Madrid is not just in Spain. There's another country in the African continent where a club with the same name exists. There's another Real Madrid in a different country. I need to know which country it is.
You said it's in Africa.
I'm telling you the continent's name, obviously. Otherwise, it gets very difficult, man. It could be anywhere on the globe.
Okay. South Africa maybe.
Oh, you got it absolutely spot on. Real Madrid South Africa is the name of the club. The owner of the club is a fan of Real Madrid, so he named it. The club started in 2009. Amazing. You got 2 points. Come on, go for it. This is your last one. Okay. I scored 4 times in 14 appearances for Delhi Dynamos. Okay, 4 times in 14 appearances for Delhi Dynamos, but none in 10 appearances for Odisha FC. Which Indian forward are we talking about?
Yeah, come again. I could not get the last part.
Okay, I scored 4 times in 14 appearances for Delhi Dynamos, but in 10 attempts for Odisha FC, I'm yet to score. Which Indian striker are we talking about? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello?